My name is Michael. I'm a rising senior at the Ramaz Upper School, and this is the first milestone for my planet tracker. So for this milestone, I wrote the main algorithm, which calculates where in the sky all the planets are going to be. So the way it works is you take all of the orbital elements of the various planets, and the first step is you calculate where exactly in the orbit everything is. Once you have that, you do the heliocentric coordinates, which is essentially plotting everything on a three-dimensional plane where the sun is at the origin. You then subtract the location of the Earth to move the Earth to the origin, and then you use trig, knowing where the thing is in relation, where the planet is in relation to the Earth. You use trig to find the angles where it is looking at it from the Earth, and that's called right ascension and declination. So those are almost where something is in a celestial sphere. Right ascension is how far to the right it is of a given line, and declination is how far above or below the celestial equator something is. So once you have right ascension and declination, I then wrote the second part of the algorithm, which is converting that to altitude and azimuth. Altitude is the number of degrees above or below the horizon. Azimuth is the number of degrees away from north something is. So after converting to altitude and azimuth, the next step will be actually creating hardware that will point to that location in the sky. So here I have a spreadsheet of all of my values plotted for all the planets, both altitude and azimuth. And as you can see, there are only really two outliers in percent error. Mars has a percent error of 4.29, but that's just because it's a small value, which will lend to high percents, even though it's not off by that much. And for some reason, Neptune is just off by a whole degree. And everything else is accurate to within hundredths of a degree. So, as you can see here, different shades of green show things that are especially accurate. The true red ones are the two outliers. And generally, everything is very accurate.